Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by choosing which screen you want the game to remain active on and why. The primary display receives input focus, preventing the OS from pausing or closing the game. First, make that monitor primary in display settings. Next, quit or disable overlays and background utilities that steal focus, because those often trigger the crash. Finally, switch the game to borderless windowed if the option exists. It keeps rendering active while letting you use the second screen. Once done with displays, you tweak system behavior to stop unexpected closures. Open power options and disable sleep and display timeouts so the OS won't suspend the game when you interact with the other screen. Then open your GPU control panel and choose maximum performance for the game profile. This prevents driver-driven sleep or resolution switches. Also, set the game process to high priority in Task Manager to reduce interruptions. Make sure not to use real-time, which can finish by locking down focus and validating the fix. Install a simple focus lock utility only if the game still loses focus. These prevent Alt-Tab and background clicks from closing the app. If problems persist, unplug the second monitor briefly to confirm whether the multi-monitor configuration is the culprit. Make sure drivers and the game are fully updated and inspect game crash logs for recurring errors before reinstalling. If nothing works, roll back recent driver updates as a last targeted troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.